In this video, we'll learn how to create a job in MountMonitor. We are starting on the Jobs board. From here, we can click New Job. Alternatively, you can navigate to the New Job view from any other view in MountMonitor using the menu on the left. The New Job form is organized into 3 different sections. The overall details, including the client the job is for, the mounts and services in the job, and overall notes and documents. Let's start in the Details section by adding the client, David Peters. Next, we'll look at tags, a powerful tool that allows you to create a custom labeling system. You can then filter jobs using these tags on the Jobs board. For this job, the client is getting a whitetail shoulder mount done. We've been running a new promo during the winter season to attract new clients with 10% off for all whitetail work. We'll tag it with winter whitetails, so we can filter on that later to make sure we're on top of the work. The client is local, so they want to pick up. We'll assign this job a priority level of 1 to expedite whitetail promo jobs. We'll also set the payment status to deposit received. We like to have a deposit paid before starting any work, but the payment workflow is completely up to you. Check out our video on payments to learn more. You can also toggle tax on and off for each job. In the Mounts and Services section, you have the flexibility to create jobs with multiple mounts and services, allowing you to build your jobs exactly how you need. Let's start by adding our first item, a mount. This opens the mount form. We'll begin by selecting the species. MountMonitor includes a comprehensive database of common species, and you can also add custom species names. We can optionally add the condition of the specimen. Moving to mount type, let's select shoulder. Only fields marked with a red asterisk are required. The rest of the fields are optional. Now on to poses. Here, you'll find a comprehensive list of both main poses and sub poses. However, just like any other field, you can create your own custom values to suit your needs. The control is entirely up to you. Notice how we're just tabbing across and using the keyboard. MountMonitor is fully navigable by keyboard, allowing you to enter details faster. When we selected a mount type, you'll notice it revealed measurements. We can toggle measurements on or off. Measurement fields dynamically adjust based on the mount type and are formatted according to the measurement system set in your settings. For now, we'll leave the measurement fields empty, as we'll update them after the fleshing stage when the cape is ready. The harvest method for this mount was hunted, and it was taken yesterday. For this mount, we don't have a habitat, but you can choose one from the list or create your own. Stages are a core feature in MountMonitor, providing your team with a clear view of each mount status. Clients are automatically notified of progress updates based on your settings and their preferences. View our client portal video to learn more. After the stage, we'll set the location. Keeping track of your mount is crucial. Right now, it's in our cooler, as we're still in the acquisition stage. When you select a species and mount type, MountMonitor automatically fills financial fields using matching price list items, like the one we've set up for whitetail shoulder mounts. Watch our price list video to learn more. We're offering 10% off any whitetail mount as part of our whitetail promo, so we'll set the discount here. Note, deposits are calculated pre-discount, ensuring all upfront costs are always covered. You can also toggle discounts or deposits to be a fixed amount. Mount tags work like job tags, but allow you to tag specific mounts. We'll also add some notes that are specifically related to this mount. Lastly, we can add images for this specific mount. These images are displayed on the client portal, so keep that in mind. Uploading images as a mount progresses keeps clients feeling like part of the process and satisfied. With MountMonitor, this is easy on any device, including straight from your phone. If a client brings in multiple whitetails, simply click the copy button to duplicate the item instead of re-entering the same information. We could then make any changes we need to without filling in the whole form again. If you need to remove an item, you can do that by clicking the Delete button on the item. Now that we've got our mount sorted, this client wants open mouth work done. Click Add Item and choose Service this time. This opens the service form. We'll select Open Mouth from the drop-down. Notice the price and deposit fields are automatically filled because we have a price list item for open mouth. And just like that, we've listed all our mounts and services with complete details. However, the level of detail is up to you, allowing you to manage jobs your way. In the final section, add internal notes to share key details for the entire job and keep your team aligned. Finally, upload files for the job, such as licenses or shipping documents, which are internal-facing unlike mount and service images. In this case, we need to have proof of sex and a hunting tag for the buck. Later, when we send the cape to the tannery, we might have additional files, such as a wildlife resource document, which we can upload easily. Let's click Add Job. Because we set the payment status to deposit received, we're prompted to log a payment. MountMonitor automatically calculates everything, including processing fees, and lets you pass them to the client seamlessly. Learn more in our payments tutorial. Let's log the payment. And done. Success! We've added a job with all its details, ready to work on. With MountMonitor, your job details are centralized and easily updated from intake to completion, accessible anytime, anywhere. MountMonitor. Less admin, more artistry.